Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am happy to be back with you again for another wig review. Today I am reviewing the Model Deep Invisible Part wig, and her name is JoJo. I hope I have her in focus, but she is a gorgeous, gorgeous wig to be used for whatever occasion you want to use her for. She does not look like this. Once you get her on and all styled and everything, she does not look like that. They always look different on the cards, but once you get them on and style them and everything, they look so pretty. They look so different. So anyway, I got a number 2. I actually bought 2 of these wigs. I bought 1 and a 2, which is the one I have here, and then I bought a number 4, which is a little lighter brown, like a medium brown, but this is a deep brown. Number 2 is a deep brown. So she comes in many different colors. I paid $14.95 for each one of them. The shipping was $4.99. So anyway, $14.95 for each one. The subtotal was $30.89. Shipping was $4.99 because I used the shipping code. And then the total was $35.88. I got this from Ebonyline.com. And yeah, so let me get into this. Let's see, she is heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for curling irons. So that is her. And it's a hand-tied part up in the top. You can pluck the part if you want to. I don't too often pluck my parts, but I do kind of want to start because that does help your wigs look more natural when you pluck the part. But what I like to do with my wigs, I always like to leave my edges out, and I always smooth my edges, of course, and that helps the wig to look more natural also. So plucking the part and leaving your edges out, you know, slaying your edges helps the wig to look better. So anyway, I'm taking her out. I'm going to show you what she looks like. Getting all unboxed and everything. I love this rich color on here. Okay. Get her unsnapped off of this box. And ooh, look at those pretty little swoopy curls. So pretty. All right. Oh, I didn't bring any scissors in here. So, hold on just a second. Okay, just had to use some muscle power. Anyway, this is what she looks like straight out of the pack without being combed or anything. Very pretty. Very pretty. She is like it's not super silky. It's like a light yucky texture, not super yucky, but a light yucky texture. She has 2 combs. Oh, here's the part in the top. So it's right here. Here are 2 combs on either side of the part. And then also you have adjustable straps there. And, you know, right down in the back. And then there is 1 comb in the very nape of the neck. So you have 3 places to secure your wigs. I usually do not use the combs because they can pull at your hair, your hairline, and different things like that and cause damage. And we do not want that to happen. So I like to put the wig on and use bobby pins to secure my wigs. You can always hook it in the cap. This is breathable. Very light cap here, netting, so it's very breathable, and your bobby pins can hook through there if you choose to. Now if I'm in a hurry and I run out and I forget my bobby pins, then I'll go ahead and put a couple of the secure the combs, but for the most part I do not like to use the combs. All right, so like I said, it's a light yaki texture, very beautiful. It's a number 2, pretty rich brown. So I'm going to go ahead and get her on for you and show you what she looks like. All right, guys, welcome back. Here she is. This is Model JoJo in a number 2. So I hope that you like her because I love her. I love her. This is something that I would wear to church. I would wear out to an event, an evening out. This is very versatile. This can be for every day. This can be, I mean, for anything. You wear it for whatever you want to wear it for. But I love her. I love her. I love the length. I think long wigs are pretty. But as far as just functionality and doing things, like if you're just doing your day-to-day thing, I just think this is a great length. It's a good work wig if you work, you know, out somewhere. You know, I just like the length for functionality. Now the longer wigs, you know, for different, you know, certain events and occasions and stuff like that, I would love that for. I love the look of them, but this is very functional, but it's very pretty at the same time. So yeah, again, here she is, Miss Model JoJo in a number 2. And on the back of the care card, let me take out this little gold string it was attached to. There are hair care instructions, you know, how to wash it and everything. It's very easy to wash wigs, especially when they're either straight or the swoopy, semi-curly styles. I think the more super curly, super wavy wigs are more harder to wash and then snap back into that style. But these more straighter, swoopier styles are easy to wash and snap back into style. Of course, like I said, this is heat iron safe for the curling iron up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, love it, love it, love it, love it. A lot of different styles. This one is going too fast. So there are plenty of different wig companies to choose from. I got these two, or well, yeah, these two from Ebonyline.com. The wig review I just did, not right before this one, I got from wigtypes.com. So there's Sam's Beauty, there let's see, hairline.com I believe it is, but there's a lot of Glamour Tress, Diva Tress, different wig companies that you can order from, and they are just beautiful. Many styles, many colors, many different price ranges and everything. These two were on clearance for $14.95. The one I just did the video on was $14.98 or $14.99. That was on clearance too. So you can buy, you know, new beautiful wigs on clearance. You know, whatever your price range or whatever your price budget is, there's something for you. All right, so I will see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. If you have any questions, please post them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. I'm not a wig expert or anything, but I will try to do my best to you know, steer you in the right direction. And I will have to say also, for purchasing wigs, I used to go to the wig store and try stuff on and, you know, different things, and I never could find the right wig. I do not know why, and I would be trying them on. But when I started ordering them online, it was much easier for some reason. What I would do is I would look up different wig reviews online, you know, different women, and some of the ones that were or had my face shape, you know, I could kind of imagine what the wig would look like on me, and even some that didn't have my face shape, just some that I liked, the wigs that I liked, you know. But they show you how to style them. There are some that's more expert than I am that really show you how to style your wigs and different products to use on them, how to pluck the part and different things like that. So I try to watch them and I see how they style the wigs, and you could see a wig in the store and, you know, not like it, but once you get it home, or if you order something online and you style it differently and just do a couple of things to it, it can look like a totally different wig and look beautiful on you. So, all right, guys, I love you all. You all have a beautiful day. Be blessed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.